Original storefront glass. Glass install here on Highway 50, Clermont, Florida. So guys, if you're looking for a storefront glass to replacement, you could call Starlight Glass at 352-999-3000. And this is in Clermont here, but it serves Orange Lake, Polk, Osceola County. So the glass is installed here in the barbershop. The glass is broken. So this is Clermont here, Highway 50. We did the St. Vincent de Paul. If you see the other video, the thrift store that's over there. KFC there, Winn-Dixie, Smoke Shop, Cricket, Rent Center. So guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe.